3-in-1 Ab Wheel Roller Kit by Odoland. Review. Are you looking for abdominal strength exercise equipment to keep fit and shape better figure? 3-in-1 Ab Wheel Roller Kit by Odoland is ideal to build muscle, lose fat, and sculpt the physique you've always wanted. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Abdominal strength exercise equipment. Odoland 2-wheel ab roller kit with push-up bar and jump rope is designed to build abdominal strength, shape better figure, and keep you fit. You can carve your core, build muscle, lose fat, and sculpt the physique you've always wanted. Upgraded ab roller for stability. Upgraded 2-wheel ab roller is built with longer handle pipe for an advanced training that, when used correctly, builds strong triceps, lats, and core. The handle is covered with anti-slip resistant foam, making it more stable. Push-up support and knee protection. The push-up bar has a detachable design, anti-slip lines, and protective rubber at the bottom. The bar mounts the ground and won't slip easily. The knee pad helps protect your knees from injury when rolling frontward and backward. Longer durability and easy assembling. Both ab roller and push-up bar are of strong structure and easy to assemble and disassemble. The 2-wheel ab roller, with upgraded wheel pipe, can support up to 800 pounds, making it more stable and durable for abs toning. More workout and gains in less time. Odoland 2-wheel ab roller is more stable and effective for abs carving. You can get more intense abdominal workouts in less time by using it together with the push-up bar that makes push-ups more challenging and allows you to get more out of every rep. Based on over 810 customer reviews and overall 4.3-star rating on Amazon. 3-in-1 Ab Building Kit by Odoland is a popular ab building equipment to keep you fit and shape better figure. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. Great buy to start a home gym. The push-up bars are sturdy even though they are plastic. The knee pad is super convenient for the ab roller, which is really sturdy. Nothing is half-assed on the equipment. Says Jordan P. Good quality, very stable push-up bars. Good quality, very stable push-up bars, even when using them with elevated feet, at steep angles, etc. Ab roller works very well, and the padded mat is just enough to protect your knees. Fast shipping, and a great price for what you get. Says Lisa A. Awesome product, for a great price. I love this set. The push-up bars take a lot of strain off of my wrists for push-ups, planks, climbers, and more. I have even been doing some inverted dips with them. Before I ordered, I saw a lot of mixed reviews on the jump rope. I was surprised to find that 1, I didn't even need to adjust the length. I'm 5 feet 2 for reference, and 2, it is light, but not light enough to be useless. If you're not an avid jump roper, I think it works perfectly well for warm-ups or HIIT. Says Riley Reinhold. The ab roller pieces can easily separate and attach, which I think it is good. The ab roller pieces can easily separate and attach, which I think it is good, because I can put it in my bag easily and take it to gym. However, it does not detach while I use it at gym. The rest is fine as well. I recommend it. Says Hope. Great idea, with missing pieces. Received product, missing a stand for push-up bar. Was excited to use this. Now I am pretty disappointed. I hope someone in charge will send one to me as soon as possible. Says Kevin Ledesima. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.